Nahal Sarafian from ASB.
And I'm Jackson Harris from KBEV. This is the week of January 25th.
Welcome to the Norman Update.
Annual open house is coming up this Wednesday. Tune in for Zoom interviews from each department and a freshman orientation at 5:15 p.m. Join these sessions and watch KBEV's live coverage to learn more about our high school community. Informational sessions will also be available for current and future Normans. We hope everyone watches to show their support.
Dance Company's Advanced Dance Theater Group is hosting their first 2021 show next week on February 5th. The show will be live streamed at 7 p.m. and will be accessible on demand for people who missed the stream. Visit the link in the video description for details about the event.
Career chats allow students to talk with real professionals about their line of work. Last chat, BHHS Career Chats hosted the Associate's Director of Corporate Medicine at Cedars-Sinai. Check the Beverly Buzz for more of the upcoming chats.
Normans, ASB is working with the comedy sports team to host a comedy improv night. 2 teams of 4, hosting students and teachers, will battle for the championship title. The event will be at 6 p.m. this Thursday. Free admission through Zoom is being offered to all students and staff. Please come and support your students and teachers for this great event.
Students, please keep an eye out for an email from your counselors to set up a meeting to choose your classes for next year. Teachers have begun to select which classes you should take next year, but the decision still needs to be solidified with your counselors. We hope each student challenges themselves academically next year.
Sophomores, next Saturday, February 6th, ASB will be hosting a Chipotle fundraiser at their South Beverly location from 4 to 8 p.m. Sophomores, remember that 33% of the profits will be going to your grade level, and this is a great way to support your grade. Thank you so much for watching the Norman Update. Remember that we will be having a modified schedule this Wednesday for open house, starting at 8 and ending at 12:55 p.m., with each class being 40 minutes. I'm Nahal Sarafian.
And I'm Jackson Harris. We will see you next week.